Let's go and see Learning Wall. Hello, Learning Wall.
Hello, Cubeez. Today I'm going to help you learn about sound. Sometimes sounds don't always sound like what we think they sound like. So how about if we play a little sound guessing game?
Yes, please, Learning Wall.
That sounds a bit scary to me.
Trust me, Dink, it's not scary at all. Any guesses?
An old creaky door?
Oh, very good, boss.
Yay!
And now, what's this sound?
An angry kitty cat?
No, not an angry kitty catty. Sneasel, over to you now. No, not a log fire. Or a fly in a bottle.
I know, a frying egg.
Well done, Doody. It's the sound of a frying egg.
Yay!
What's this sound? Not corks flying out of bottles.
Oh.
And not a giraffe with hiccups.
I know! Popcorn!
Well done, Dink. It's popcorn. It sounds like somebody is having a good time creating different sounds. Hear him tapping on the glass. It sounds like a wonderful melody. Making sounds is really fun. You can tap slow and count the beats. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can tap faster on all the bottles and repeat the sound. Ta-da-da. T-D-D. Me. You can use a straw and blow some bubbles. Drop an ice cube in your drink. Listen to that. Well, that drink looks really nice. It also must be very cool thanks to the ice.
Goodbye, Learning Wall.
Bye, Cubeez. See you soon.